Welcome to Thridify. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can add a hotspot to your 3D product. Step by step. Hotspots are a great way to make your 3D models more interactive by adding clickable information, media, or highlights to specific parts of your product. Let's get started. We're now on the product page inside the Thridify admin panel. On the top right corner, click on Open Configurator. Once the configurator is open, you'll see several options. Click on Hotspot. Now click anywhere on your 3D product where you'd like to place the hotspot. I'm clicking on the corner of this table as an example. Next, choose an icon for your hotspot. You can either select from the available icons or upload a custom one of your choice. For now, I'll pick one from the existing options. You can also adjust the icon size. I'm setting it to 15, and choose a color. I'll go with a greenish-yellow shade. Now let's give our hotspot a title. I'll name it Inspiration. You can also adjust the title size. I'm keeping it at 15, and select a title color. I'll choose a dark greenish tone for this one. Next, let's add a short description. You can type anything you'd like to display when users click on this hotspot. I'll write, "Look at some of the cool ways you can arrange this table." In the media section, you can upload an image or a video that you want to show inside the hotspot. I'm adding an image here. Just drag and drop it into the section. If you change your mind, you can easily delete it using the delete icon. Now you'll see the off-screen visibility settings. You can choose to make the hotspot visible or hidden from certain angles. I'm keeping mine visible. Below that, you'll find two options. Focus on the hotspot. When enabled, the camera will automatically focus on it when clicked. Move hotspot slightly away from the model surface. This helps make the hotspot stand out visually. I'll keep both disabled. If your product has multiple variants, you'll also see two more options here. Switches to the selected variant. This changes the product variant when the hotspot is clicked. Exclusive to the variants. This lets you display the hotspot only in selected variants. I'll leave both as default for now. Once you're done, click Save. You'll now see the hotspot on your product, with the image, title, and description you added. Then go to Finishes, click Save Materials, and finally hit Publish. This ensures all your changes are saved and live. If you'd like to make any changes later, go back to the hotspot section. Hover over the hotspot you want to edit and click the edit icon. For example, I'll change my icon color to black and hit Save. As you can see, the color is now updated. Don't forget to click Publish again to apply the changes. To delete a hotspot, go back to the hotspot section, hover over the one you want to remove, and click the delete icon. Confirm the deletion, go to Finishes, click Save Materials, and hit Publish. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add, edit, and delete hotspots in your 3D product using Thridify. Use this feature to make your 3D experiences more interactive and informative for your customers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Thridify tutorials.